Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this wire or cable tracker from the manufacturer to do a review. It's model number YW751PB. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, it's made of black canvas. It has a belt loop there. User's manual. Okay, this will track down multiple cables to determine which one is active. It will do a cable sequencing of open, short circuit proofreading, to do continuity testing, and positive or negative detection. So it has the Velcro closers. So here's the receiver, wire tracker receiver. Here is the wire tracker emitter. You have a couple of RJ11 and RJ45 connectors there. You have an RJ45 connector on the bottom of the receiver. You have an RJ11 cable and an RJ45 cable, and then you have the RJ11 with positive and negative alligator clips. Okay, it does come with a couple of 9-volt batteries that's required, so I've got those put in. Those are placed directly into the back. On the receiver, you have a volume button so you can hear the detection. You also have an adapter for using headphones in case you need to use that in loud environments. Okay, to turn the power on the receiver, you just have to press this button, hold it down for a couple of seconds. Same thing when you want to turn it off. Then you have a 1 through 8 numbers here, plus a G for ground. It's like if you want to test an 8-wire RJ45 cable, you can see if there's any of the wires that are broke inside. It'll go through the test. Likewise, you have the 1 through 8 indicator lights and the G for ground. You have a verified light. You have a test button. You slide this switch up to test, and the center is off, and then scan. And then where it says switch, that is a calibration. Pretty simple to use. Okay, let's just scan these wires to see if they're all functional and there's no broken wires in the 8. We'll hook one end up, one to the emitter, and the other one to the bottom of the receiver. Turn on the receiver. You see the LED light lit up to indicate that it's on. Then switch this to scan, and you can see the numbers scanning through all 8 numbers. If you see one number that's not lighting up, then that means that particular wire is not functional, and you can see each wire is being verified. If the G is lit up ground, that means you don't have a shielded ground. Okay, we'll turn it off. Okay, another test you can do is tracking a wire or cable. You want to be sure and unplug the cable. Don't use the tracer under live electrical current. To use it, just plug in the RJ11 into the wire tracker emitter. Then just click one of the alligator clips to the electrical prong. Turn on the receiver, turn the tracker on to test, and it will send a pulse. Then you can test the wire. When you get close proximity to the cable, it does detect. This is another scenario where the wire tracker emitter receiver will come in handy. Let's say you have several RJ45s, and let's assume they're all the same color, and you want to track the correct cable for the device that you want to power. So the emitter you want to put on the upper end and connect it to the RJ45. Turn on the receiver, then test one cable individually at a time. You see the gray one does not pick up. The blue one does not pick up. The white one does not pick up. The yellow one does emit and pick up. So I want to do one more test of the PJ45 cable. As mentioned earlier, this RJ45 cable does have 8 different wires in there. I'm not sure if you can see this. I cut one of the wires in there, see if it would pick up and read. Got it plugged into the emitter, plug it into the receiver, turn it on. So now let's do the scan. So if you notice, number 1 is not lighting up, so that indicates that this is a bad cable, that one of the wires is broken. So again, if you're using this in a noisy environment and you can't quite hear the beeps on the test, you do have this headphone jack you can just plug in. And I'll put this next to my microphone and see if you can hear it. And you can hear the test using the headphones. So if you're looking for a tester that can perform multiple tests to determine if Ethernet cables or wire cables are in good condition, then I highly recommend this tester.